What we want to do then is we want to try and understand it on a spectrum and to include not just threat-based behaviour, but also the role of shame and the role of dissociation, to have a comprehensive understanding. So generally speaking, what we find, because and at Roehampton, I do most of the input to the postgraduates on this, and I often say, so any of the other training you've ever done, has it included dissociation? And they look at me blankly, they haven't got a clue. That worries me, because they're going to end up being clinical doctors, right? So it's really important for us to be aware of that. Now, the other thing that's important to be aware of in terms of challenges is that complex trauma and complex PTSD is highly comorbid with a number of other disorders, and so may be misdiagnosed for sure, or they may coexist, and that can then cause a problem in terms of what referral pathway you're sent down.